In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use multiple monitors and link charts on TradingView. We'll dive into leveraging the TradingView desktop app to enhance your trading experience, offering a more comprehensive view of the markets. To begin, let's focus on utilizing multiple monitors. First, ensure you have the TradingView desktop application installed on your computer. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. This platform makes managing your charts and trading indicators much more seamless. With the app open, you can create a new chart window by pressing Ctrl+N on a Windows machine or Command+N if you're using a Mac. This action will open a new chart that you can customize as needed. To maximize your workspace, simply drag this new window over to your second monitor. This step allows you to independently manage and analyze charts on different screens, which is incredibly useful for tracking multiple assets or timeframes simultaneously. Now let's shift our attention to linking charts within a single monitor to maintain consistency across your analysis. In your main chart screen, locate the box-shaped Layout Setup icon. Clicking this will let you choose from a variety of multi-chart layouts, such as 2, 4, or even more charts on a single screen. This feature is particularly advantageous when you want to compare different assets side by side. After setting up your desired layout, you'll want to activate chart synchronization. Look for the Sync or Chart Syncing icon, which is typically located near the Multi-Chart Layout button. Clicking on the Sync button gives you several options to streamline your charts. You can synchronize the symbol, ensuring all charts display the same trading pair. This is handy when you're analyzing different time frames of the same asset. Interval Sync allows you to harmonize the time frame across all charts, whether that's daily, hourly, or something else. There's also the option to sync crosshairs, aligning the crosshair position for precise side-by-side price comparison. Lastly, Time and Date Sync will guarantee that all your charts are viewing the exact same period, minimizing discrepancies in your analysis. For further customization, you might consider using sync emojis. Available in the status line or series context menu, assigning the same emoji to charts will link them according to your selected sync preferences. This can be an efficient way to organize and quickly identify linked charts. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to enhance your TradingView setup. Customize each chart to suit your trading strategy, adjusting symbols, indicators, or time horizons as needed. Also, don't shy away from experimenting with different layout configurations to determine what works best for you. A personalized setup can significantly bolster your ability to monitor market trends effectively and optimize your trading decisions. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on using multiple monitors and linking charts in TradingView for an enriched trading experience.